Have you forgotten your Gmail password? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you 3 easy ways to reset your Gmail password. Hi, welcome back to the PI tutorial channel. Usually when we want to log into our Gmail account, we open a web browser and click Sign In. Then we enter our Gmail address and click Next. Normally we would enter our password here, but if you've forgotten it, here's what you can do. Method 1. Verification via tap Yes on your phone. If your Gmail account is linked to your phone, Google will give you the option to verify via notification. When you click Forgot Password, the system will automatically show the account recovery screen. Take your phone and open the notification from Google. Then click Yes, it's me. After that, a screen like this will appear. To set a new password, click Update Password. Create a new password, then confirm it by retyping it. Once done, click Save Password and you can log in as usual using your new password. Method 2. Verification via recovery email. This method is useful if your linked phone is damaged or lost. The steps at the beginning are the same. Open your browser, click Sign In, enter your Gmail address, and click Next. Then click Forgot Password. Gmail will first show the Tap Yes method, but since your phone is unavailable, click Try Another Way. Next, open your recovery email inbox. Look for an email from Google containing a verification code. Copy the code and enter it in the required field. Then click Next. To reset your password, enter a new secure password and confirm it. Then, click Save Password to complete the process. Method 3. Verification via SMS to your phone number. This method is suitable if you can't use Tap Yes and don't remember your recovery email. Click Forgot Password, then select Try Another Way. The system will display options to receive a verification code, either via SMS or phone call. I personally prefer SMS, so click Text. Check your SMS, enter the verification code, and click Next. After that, a screen like this will appear. To set a new password, click Update Password. Create a new password, and click Save Password. So there you have it. Several ways you can reset your Gmail password. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.